is my desire that I want to hit this party. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire that I want to hit this party. Cool down. The water's looking nice and blue, so blue, so bluer than the clearest sky. And the waves are fire and getting higher and better even as we speak. Yeah, don't you melt the sun, 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 sun's hotter than ever before. So let's ride, ride, surfing right some more. Yeah, the waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire that I want to hit this party. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire that I want to hit this party. Cool down.
Yeah, this one Kolohe Kai and Rugga Baba in the area. All you divers, wanna go and get your gear. And all you riders, wanna surfing no more fear. 'Cause it's a hot day, everybody. Shoulda go and cool off, yeah. All you paddlers, wanna go and get your crew. And everybody else, you know what to do, eh? Go grab your ohana, it's so nice outside. We living in Hawaii with aloha and pride, yeah.
The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire that I want to hit this party. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire that I want to hit this party. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire that I want to hit this party. Cool down.
I'm so happy you're with me, and I knew you were the one. It was just like my dream. We were falling in love, and I said, baby, I love you. And I mean it from my heart. Yeah, yeah. There's no one could take your place. You're my darling angel, yes you are. But I'm singing, you're my darling baby girl. You're my darling angel, yes you are. Yes you are. Your kind of love, no man could let it go. You're my darling angel, yes you are. Every night, every day, girl, you got to know. And I knew it from the start.
Now I'm sitting on my bed,
Sitting on his bed now,
said wondering what you're thinking of.
wondering what you're thinking of.
'Cause I got so much things to say. You're my darling angel from above, and I say
are. Yes, you are. Your kind of love, no man could let it go. You're my darling angel, yes, you are. Every night, every day, girl, you got to know. And I knew it from the start. 'Cause when my world seems to come tumbling down, I look forward to seeing your face. It's the greatest feeling when you're around. 'Cause no one can take your place. You're my darling angel, yes you are. But I'm thinking you're my darling baby girl. You're my darling angel, yes you are. Yes you are. Your kind of love, no man could let it go. You're my darling angel, yes you are. Every night, every day, girl, you got to know. And I knew it from the start. Yes I did, yes I did, girl. And I knew it from the start. From the start, girl. And I knew it from the start. Angel girl.
There's something in your eyes, it holds a big surprise. It made me realize how much I adore you. I'll hold you in my arms, I'll keep you out of harm. I'll always have your charm and love I have for you. You're my crush, can't you see the way I blush? But I don't wanna rush things with you, my love. You're all I think of, truly sent from above. Girl, I get butterflies when I look in your eyes. Girl, I get butterflies. Yeah, but then now I get so weak when I hear you speak. Girl, I get so weak. I get butterflies. Oh, I love the way you smile. It's got me going wild. I never imagined having this feeling. Oh no, from the way you flip your hair to the glances that you share and the loving way you care, as my heart hit the ceiling. You're my crush, can't you see the way I blush? But I don't wanna rush things too quick. You're my baby blue. Oh darling, I love you. Girl, I get butterflies when I look in your eyes. Girl, I get butterflies. Yeah, but I said now I get so weak when I hear you speak. Girl, I get so weak. I get butterflies. run and play. Every time I think of you, then I wanna go up and sit right down and look at the ocean so blue. I wanna feel the breeze blowing in my face and let all things hang loose. Whisper your name, feel no pain, relax and this is the life I was given. This is the life,
God.
the country living. This is the life that we're bringing. So I hope you get to live it too. Yeah, and I hope you get to live it too. I wanna get on my bike and ride that red dirt road from the cane fields to the shore. I wanna skip stones with my cousins as the ahi skim the ocean